Growing up, I have always had a passion for animals and made it a goal of mine to be able to travel and see these animals in their natural environments. I am fortunate enough to have succeeded in this ambition, but these journeys were unfortunately eye-opening on another front. During my travels, I witnessed the consequences of animal cruelty and pain from activities such as poaching and testing on animals. The levels of ignorance and misinformation among people I encountered and still encounter have continually shocked me. It's heartbreaking to see people look the other way and not intervene. When people do believe my statements, they often think that they are in no position to actually intervene and lead to change. Jane Goodall told us, "Only if we understand can we care. Only if we care, we will help. Only if we help, shall they, the animals, be saved." I believe that to live up to this philosophy, one must have the proper information available to make informed choices. Therefore, I have chosen to create a travel blog where I will write about the wildlife and animals local to the areas I am visiting and the trials and tribulations these populations face. I will also conduct interviews with those working in relevant fields as well as incorporate resources on how people can get involved from the home front. This blog is designed to be open and accessible to all. I believe that compared to dry academic articles with limited distribution or news reports that exclude salient points, I will try to provide an informative alternative. I hope that with this blog, readers will be able to accompany me on my travels and become engaged with animal life. So welcome to my blog. Sit back and read some stories on animal life and learn how you can help protect our animals and the ecosystem. www.tendaji.com